noches, buenos dias. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Shantell Styles. And if you're returning, can you see this hair? It's a blondie. An ash blonde. We're not even gonna do too much talking. You know what? This hair just needs a moment for herself. And that is exactly what we're gonna give, you know? Let's just get into the next clip. Because this hair, fire.
So here's just a quick unboxing of what you get in the box when you order the hair.
I needed a new comb. So you get a tail comb and you get an edge brush comb, and then you get 2 lovely wig caps in 2 shades, followed by some tweezers. You can never have too many tweezers, honestly. And a nice beautiful pouch to keep everything together. Now here's the wig.
And just look at the tones in this wig. Oh, beautiful.
So I haven't, let's get this bad boy focusing. I love this new setup. We thank God for elevation and we thank God for growth. I have plucked this wig a little bit off camera already, but because it's the teapot lace, there really isn't much to do. And due to the nature or the color of the wig actually, because it's like a blonde, ash blonde, just really beautiful tones actually. I didn't have to bleach the knots. So teapot laces, when they are of high quality and constructed well, really are just easy to work with. I think I found my brand when it comes to teapot lace wigs, and it's I Define wigs. So my hair is kind of slicked back. We got a little molehill situation going on over here. Anyways, I'm going in with my Carrot Care wax stick. Smoothing that over the hairline.
I actually hot combed my hair off camera. I took it off my head and put it on my lap. The hair already comes parted with a pre-parting. I don't know if that's a thing, but it was a bit high for me, so I went a bit lower with the space that I had and just created a slightly lower parting.
The reason I really like this teapot lace wig by this particular brand is because they actually give you parting space within your designated parting. They don't force you to literally have a line and call it a day, which I think is so disrespectful. Especially if you're paying, you know. You want to be getting your money's worth. So again, I'm just going over it with my wax stick, and then I'm going to go in with my hook comb. Now I am gonna cut off my ear tabs. And I always find it useful to literally pin my hair up, otherwise the hair just falls and gets in the way. So I parted in an upwards motion. I'm going in with my scissors and cutting in between that part that I just made.
And there's an empty left in my bed. I don't know about you, but put you first. I bought some new flowers, they're all dead. First you are in.
Okay, now that I've cut my ear tabs and almost my hair, I'm just gonna flip this lace, add my foundation. I go in with the Sleek Contour palette. And I've noticed sometimes when I'm not focusing and I go in with the wrong shade, you know, it just messes up the whole thing. So it's important to literally get your shade. Worst case scenario, you know, you can combine it with another foundation, or you can, you know, wash it off and start again, but who has time for that? I'm gonna cut 3 sections.
You feel like we could be something more. The way your light shines.
And begin working on each section. I'm only gonna do 1 layer because I don't intend on keeping this wig on for long, because I just don't like sleeping with wigs on. And I've been told by you guys down below in my comments to let this dry on cool for a little minute. I think I would let it dry, you know, I'd let it air dry essentially. So I'm just gonna go off camera, let this cool with my blow dryer.
Time, your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Oh.
Okay, so sometimes when I feel like, you know, either my wig isn't sticking down or it's not melted, I go in with this bad boy right here, the Gots to Be Glue spray, and just go over the hairline. So I'm gonna do that quick, wrap it down, and then get to curling this wig. Doing fairly big pieces too. My straighteners, for which everything I use is linked down below. I just wrap that around. Once it's locked in, I twist my straightener twice, 3 times, and then pull down. Don't know if that really made sense. And there you go.
I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Just want your time. Make me feel like we could be something more. The way your light shines, there's no shadows anymore. But then you put doubts and doubts and doubts in my mind. Still, you make me feel like we could be something more, something more. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365.
Wow, that almost sucked the life out of me. At this point, I'm just letting the band take itself off. So, as per usual, going with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. And I do this just to clean up any white marks that might be left. I noticed that there's a tiny bit here that just needs more foundation. So I'm just gonna go in, and then I'm gonna go in with my mini brush just to get that parting, because right now you can see that it's open, but you can't see any sort of scalp.
Now I'm just doing some very light baby hairs.
Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already. And stay tuned. I shall let you lovely people go. Thank you so much once again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Adios, amigas.